Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drain pump assembly in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flat blade screwdrivers, a 5/8 open-ended wrench, and a 5/16" nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drain pump assembly. The drain pump assembly is used for draining water out of the dishwasher. It operates by the control board. If at the end of the cycle water still sits at the bottom of the dishwasher, it's time to check the drain pump and replace it if needed. Open the door. Take out the two Phillips screws that hold the dishwasher to the countertop. Put the towel in the plastic container under the shutter valve just in case of the water will leak down. And then using the 5/8 open-ended wrench, take off the water line. Then, using the 5/16" nut driver, loosen up the hose clamp and remove the drain hose from the air gap. Be careful, there is still some water inside the hose. Use a container or the towel. Pull the dishwasher out. Place it on its back. Make sure the hoses are not under the dishwasher. Place the towel on the drain hose connection. We are going to have some not so fresh water coming out. Using the 5/16" nut driver, loosen up the drain hose and remove it from the port. At this point, you may have some water coming out of the hoses. You can plug it with a towel. Using the 5/16" nut driver, loosen up the clamp on the check valve. Then you can pull the pump from the check valve hose. Turn the drain pump clockwise and take the mounting rod out of the hole. Using the flat blade screwdriver, take the double white with red stripes wire off the pump's terminal N and the red wire from the terminal L. This is the old drain pump assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Reconnect the wires to the new drain pump assembly, the whites to the N and the red to the L. Place the wires under the mounting rod. Insert the support rod into the hole and turn the pump counterclockwise. Install the check valve hose on and tighten the clamp using the 5/16" nut driver. Place the drain hose on the outlet port. Using the 5/16" nut driver, tighten the clamp. Remove the towel. Place the dishwasher upright and reinstall it under the countertop. Let's manually thread on the water line onto the shutter valve, then tighten using 5/8 open-ended wrench, and then we can take out the towel and the container. Connect the drain hose to the air gap and tighten the clamp with the 5/16" nut driver. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Secure the dishwasher with 2 Phillips screws to the countertop and close the door. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.